Thank you, Lucilla. Very much appreciate your ability to speak without notes and my inferior ability that requires me to use them. I'm going to start my remarks just by briefly once again acknowledging Elder Margaret. Thank you very much for sharing your stories and for bestowing on us the gift of your wisdom and perspectives and your hospitality for having us here on your traditional territories. It's very much appreciated. My name is Geoff Pradella, and I'm the board chair for the Kids Brain Health Network, or KBHN as we're also known. It's easier to say. It's awe-inspiring to be in the company of so many people from around the world, knowing we are all passionate about and dedicated to advancing knowledge and innovation, intended to improve the health, supports, care, and opportunities for young people, families, and communities everywhere. At KBHN, we share many scientific and policy goals with DOHaD and are very excited to be the partner of this year's 2022 World Congress. This year's theme is very strongly aligned with our mission of catalyzing collective action across sectors, ensuring optimal care, and better outcomes for children and their families. As a network of centers for excellence, we've been in existence since 2010. Our work focuses on neurodevelopmental disabilities such as autism, fetal alcohol spectrum disorder, cerebral palsy, and many other lifelong and often complex conditions. In doing so, we advance scientific and cultural knowledge of neurodevelopmental disabilities which have been historically misunderstood and stigmatized. Our vision is that all children matter, and all children living with neurodevelopmental disabilities should enjoy a better quality of life, inclusion in all aspects of society, and the ability to truly reach their full potential by supporting and implementing scale and spread of proven innovations, building capacity in the current and next generation of trainees and professionals. Many of our multi-sector partners are joining us this week, including frontline community agencies, First Nations, elders, researchers, trainees, parents, and caregivers, the people we're all here to support and, frankly, to serve. Together, we do the critical work of supporting early identification, early and effective evidence-based intervention, family supports, and delivering impacts for Canada and Canadians, engaging with worldwide developmental health efforts brought together by conferences like this. All of this important work, however, is only truly important if we're able to measure and see a positive and real impact on our kids. So I'd like to share a brief story with you illustrating that impact from members of our community. Mimi could barely communicate when she was diagnosed with autism at the age of 2. Mimi's mother, Gina, tells us that the Social ABCs program has had a huge impact for their entire family, not just Mimi, not just Gina, but even the grandparents, as they are all part of parenting Mimi. Now 4 years old and 2 years into her participation, Mimi is able to communicate using both sound and words, skills that were taught and nurtured through the Social ABCs program. This has transformed this young woman's life. And it's just one of countless examples of evidence-based intervention programs that KBHN has funded to ensure children and families benefit from the knowledge created through our investments in researchers and development partners. I'd welcome you all to learn a bit more about our impact, the reality of impact, and to see videos such as Mimi's story, which are on our website at kidsbrainhealth.ca/impact. These videos were a great initiative of the last year and reflect compelling stories and make the value of our work actually come alive and be more real. In the coming days, we look forward to celebrating many projects and partnerships supporting developmental health across sectors. We especially hope to learn and share ways of integrating equity, diversion, and inclusion in all of our research and practices. We thank everyone who's come together to host and produce this world-class event. It's been a tremendous amount of work. By gathering as a global community, however, we capture the gift and give ourselves the power to imagine and achieve real change for children and families for many generations to come. Thank you all for being here and for dedicating your lives to our children's better lives.